Hello CFA students and CFA candidates. Welcome to another CFA Daily Lesson. I'm Rafael Paloni and I'm here today to solve another CFA-like question. Today we'll cover the quantitative methods for CFA Level 1 exam. So without further notice, let's go straight to the question. Which of the following relationships best describes a leptokurtic? So keep an eye on that term over there. Negatively skewed distribution. So keep an eye on that expression as well. So you know that when you're talking about a normal distribution, also known as a bell-shaped distribution, it's known as one of the most perfect shapes in nature. So when you have this kind of shape, it is considered perfect mathematically for two reasons. One, it's totally symmetric. What's on one side is exactly the same on the other side. Number two, it has a certain height that corresponds to its kurtosis. This height is so specific that it makes the tails always go down and down and down. So if this height is changed, no matter for up or down, you know what is happening. The tails will start to climb up. It will twist and you will get feathered tails. All right, so this question is telling you that this distribution has a leptokurtic characteristic. What is a leptokurtic? Well, leptokurtic is when its kurtosis, or its height, is not the regular one, which is, by the way, 3. So it's telling you that this distribution does not have a kurtosis of 3. Does it have more or less? Well, in this case, because it's a leptokurtic, it has more. So it's kind of this way. It's more or less like this. You can notice that it's taller, it's higher than 3. So it's a leptokurtic. And the consequence is, because you were going so high, because the height is so high, the tails are also piling, it's twisting, it's going up. So you know that the answer is feathered tails. So this distribution will have feathered tails. So by concluding this, you know that alternative A is out of question. So you know that it's feathered tails. And which alternative is best? Is the mean bigger than the median and bigger than the mode? Or is it the other way around? Less than the median, less than the mode? Well, to answer this question, you go to the second information he gave you, which is a negative skewed distribution. What's a negative skewed? It means this distribution is not completely symmetric. So if it is negatively skewed, he's telling you that the skew is this way. In other words, most of the tail, most of the skew is to the left, on the negative side. So if you have this kind of problem or this kind of characteristic, what's the consequence? Well, here in the FK Partners course, we tell you if it's a negative relation, bring negative to the table. So mean is less than median, that is less than mode. If, alternatively, you had a positive relation, so bring positive to the table. In this case, we would have more than, mean would be more than median, there would be more than mode. So what's the answer here? So by checking all this information, we know feathered tails because of leptokurtic, and we know that is negative. Bring negative to the table. So best answer for us is letter C. So today we saw that the normal distribution is perfect because of its symmetry and its height. Whenever you change the height, kurtosis, or the symmetry, skewness, you have some consequences. And we saw which consequences are there. Did you like the video? So keep an eye, keep in touch with us. There will be more daily lessons coming up. We hope you like it. We hope you feel prepared to what's coming next to the CFA exam. Thanks, guys.